Meaning of granita.
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 Granita. Granita is a semi-frozen dessert that originated in Italy. It is made by freezing a mixture of water, sugar, and various flavorings, which are then scraped or shaved into small ice crystals. The result is a refreshing treat that has a slightly crunchy texture similar to a snow cone. Granitas can be made with a variety of flavors, including fruit juices, coffee, and even herbs like rosemary or basil. They are a perfect way to cool down on a hot day and are often served as a palate cleanser between courses in Italian cuisine.